Okay, I have been looking through some of my vintage books I've shared before, but this one's one of my favorite, The Gent's Letter Writer. It has just so many options in there, and I love looking at each of them. It was published in 1902, and it's truly just a gem, just seeing how differently they spoke, what different words they used. I mean, on every page, I find just so many interesting words and phrases. Anyways, I found in the back that there is this little section called art quotations for various occasions. And you'll see like absence, friendship, envy, flattery, things you can incorporate into your letters. So I thought that this one here, Life, had some really great little quotes. And I was just going to write a friendly letter to a neighbor and use this fun stationery I found. So I'm going to use my sepia pen. This one is found in the Cursive Connection box set. And then I've got this little stationery set and a cute envelope. So over here under this life section, which one was I looking at? This one here. Life like a dome of many-colored glass stains the white radiance of eternity. Just a little reminder of, at least that's how I interpret it, that life is beautiful. And I'm just going to put a note here. I should mention that I'm already warmed up, but if I wasn't warmed up, I would grab a sheet of paper and just do some of my warm-up drills. But I am feeling this is a little different size than I warmed up with on a previous project, so I'm just kind of doing some air writing to get my hand going at the pace that I want it to. So I'm just adding a little general message. Just want to say thank you to a friend at church for hard work she put in on the kids program. Let her know that it brightened everyone's day. I'm going to transition with just saying, life is beautiful. Thanks for doing your part to add so much color. And then I'm going to put in this fun little phrase, life like a dome of many-colored glass. I'm going to put this in quotations so she doesn't just think that I'm saying some random thing, which I am saying kind of a random thing, but so that she knows it came from somewhere specific. Okay, and just like that, you have a fun handwritten note. It wasn't a lot. It was just a couple minutes, but I did take the time to find a nice quote that I could incorporate. And so, dearest Alex, I hope your day is going beautiful. Thank you for all your hard work. Tying it in with life like a dome of many colored glass stains the white radiance of eternity. So just a social letter to a friend thanking her for her hard work and sharing her light and color with all those around her in the neighborhood. So I am just going to slip this in here. Yep, it folds right in half. Oh, maybe. Yep. And then I can do a wax seal. I can address it, and like I said, she is in my neighborhood, so I don't think I'm going to mail this, although it's kind of fun to get something in the mail, isn't it? Even if she is in the neighborhood, so I may. So I will put her address here. When I am doing addresses, I'm not going to show it on the internet, but I do like to do the numbers, like if it's I will often do them like that because I sometimes run into the problem in our post office that they can't read cursive. And I've heard of that in other post office. So just be safe. I will do some block lettering. But if not, as long as your numbers are very clear, especially if it's like west and north, those words are pretty easy to decipher for people. Just make sure that your numbers are really clear so that the post office can read them. So I'm going to skip the addressing part. I'm going to put my return address. One stamp, and then I'm going to do a quick little wax seal for you guys, and then just like that we've got a fun little note to brighten someone's day and let them know how much we appreciate them. While the wax is heating up, I just want to say thanks for following along, thanks for following these projects, and as always, happy writing. Let me know what you'd like to see. I will link my supplies below and my link to my cursive course. Again, happy writing. I will see you in the next one.